Hey there, ever felt like your LinkedIn outreach is just shouting into the void? Or that sending emails is like tossing letters into a black hole? Well, today's your lucky day. Click the link in the description below to unlock exclusive deals on Prosp. All right, let's dive in. Prosp is the AI-powered sales engagement platform that's going to make your LinkedIn and email outreach feel like a walk in the park. Think of it as your secret weapon in the world of sales. It's like having a sales assistant who never sleeps. First up, let's talk features. With Prosp, you get AI-powered personalization. This means every message you send is tailored to make your prospects feel like you've known them for years. No more generic, boring messages. Next, automated voice notes. Imagine sending personalized voice messages without lifting a finger. Just record once and let Prosp do the rest. It's like magic. Need leads? Prosp's got a lead finder, an enrichment tool that'll have you swimming in potential clients. And managing all those conversations? Easy peasy with the unified inbox. All your LinkedIn and email chats in one place. But wait, there's more. Prosp offers account rotation with proxies. This means you can manage multiple accounts without worrying about getting flagged. It's like having a cloaking device for your sales efforts. Now let's get real for a second. Prosp is fantastic, but it's not a magic bullet. Your results will depend on the quality of your input data and campaign strategy. But hey, with Prosp's user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, you're already ahead of the game. Price-wise, Prosp offers tiered pricing based on the number of accounts and subscription type, monthly or annual, your choice. And if you go annual, you might snag a sweet discount. There are even lifetime deals popping up now and then, so if you're ready to supercharge your sales efforts, click the link in the description below to grab your special offer on Prosp today. Don't just take my word for it. Give Prosp a spin and see the difference for yourself. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy selling. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. Cheers.